the drivers behind the line. Starting this match in 3, 2, 1, go.
Alrighty, I'm in a qualification match number 30 over on the technology field. Looks like over in the red alliance we have 2 cubes and 1 cone scored. On the high row over on the blue alliance, looks like we got 1 cone, 2 cones scored, 1 cube, 3 cones maybe. And we're into the teleoperated period. Let's see what these robots can do. 4476 on the blue lines, immediately racing over their substation to grab a cone, and then racing back to their community. Over on the red lines, 8089 doing the same over on their substation, grabbing a cube, bringing it back to their community to go score it somewhere in the red alliance's grid. Oh, in the middle of the field here, looks like 70th22 has fallen over for the blue alliance. That might create a bit of an issue, but hopefully they can bounce back. 5719 on the red alliance, lining up to score their cone over on their red alliance grid, and they score it. Looks like they've created another link as well. Back in the blue alliance, 4476 racing back over to their community with a cone, lining up for a place to score it. And the red alliance, 5719 lining up at their substation to grab a cone and bring it back to their community. So far, it looks like the blue alliance may have 3 links if I can see that correctly. 2 links if I can see that correctly. And over on the red alliance we have 2 links. It's a very tight match. On the blue alliance, 9062 over their substation picking up a cube and racing back over to their community. And 4476 joining them over in the blue alliance scoring a cube. 5719 racing back over the red alliance community with a cone, trying to find a place to score it, along with 8089 also with a cone. 9062 racing around the field, going back over their blue alliance substation. Looks like they're going to pick up another cube to bring back to their community to score. And we're into the end game. Let's see what robots are going to try to balance. Looks like these teams are still focusing on last-minute scoring of game pieces, but on the red lines we have 8089 trying to set up to engage that charge station along with 781. On the blue lines we have 4476 and 9062 engaged. Will the red lines have time? They have 2 seconds. Will they get engaged in time? Not quite. We'll have to wait for the final scores to see the results of that match. And the scores are in. Let's take a look. And the match goes to the Blue Alliance with 128 to 119. Notice that 8089